Hello, gentlemen. I'm Dr. Eva Cole, and welcome to Senior Men's Health. Nearly every day in my office, I hear a familiar story. A man, often in his 50s, 60s, or 70s, sits across from me and says something like, "Doctor, I just don't feel like myself anymore. The details change, but the pattern is always the same. Energy that used to come naturally now feels distant. Motivation fades, and that sense of youthful confidence begins to slip away." Most men describe it as if something inside them has simply stopped working. They might compare it to a plumbing issue, or say, maybe it's just my circulation. And yes, blood flow is part of the story, but it's not the whole story. What's really happening is deeper, more systemic, and thankfully, far more reversible than most people realize. Your body isn't broken. It's simply asking for better support and the right kind of attention. And that support doesn't come from a pill or a quick medical fix. It comes from a simple 5-minute daily ritual you can do privately at home using natural ingredients found at nearly any health store. This is not a miracle cure. It's a science-backed self-care practice that helps your body restore what time has gradually worn down. Today, I'm going to teach you a specific circulation-boosting massage technique and show you a few natural oils that enhance its effect. It's a form of physical maintenance, a way to help your body remember how to perform the way it's designed to. By the end of this video, you'll understand a daily routine that can help restore not only your vitality, but your overall sense of confidence and well-being. Let's start with a bit of science, simple but essential. A healthy response in the body, the kind most men associate with vitality and strength, depends on a process called vasodilation. This is your blood vessel's ability to open and allow rich, oxygenated blood to flow freely. The key messenger that triggers this expansion is a molecule known as nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as your body's internal green light. It tells your blood vessels to relax, open up, and deliver nourishment where it's needed most. As we age, however, that signal weakens. Years of stress, inactivity, and diets high in processed foods can lead to inflammation and what's known as oxidative stress, microscopic wear and tear that stiffens the arteries and reduces nitric oxide availability. It's a bit like corrosion building inside a pipe. Flow becomes sluggish and responsiveness fades. The change is slow, subtle, and often unnoticed until energy and performance start to decline. The 5-minute ritual I'm about to show you is designed to address this process from 3 important angles. First, the technique gently stimulates the cells that line your blood vessels, the endothelial cells, encouraging them to produce more nitric oxide naturally. This helps restore healthy signaling and supports vascular flexibility without any medications. Second, the rhythmic motion of the massage encourages local circulation. By manually guiding blood into the surrounding tissue, you're giving your vascular system a kind of workout, helping it regain elasticity over time. It's much like stretching a muscle that hasn't been used. With consistent, careful practice, it becomes stronger, more responsive, and more efficient. This deliberate, hands-on approach helps reawaken dormant blood vessels and retrains the pathways that are essential for healthy, responsive circulation. Over time, this kind of consistent practice reminds your body how to function at its best. The third goal of this ritual is nourishment. The oil you choose is not merely for glider comfort, it's a therapeutic component of the process. When you use an oil rich in natural fatty acids and antioxidants, you're delivering nutrients directly through the skin. These compounds support cellular renewal, helping the tissue stay hydrated, resilient, and youthful in appearance. The gentle absorption of these nutrients is like feeding your skin from the outside in, reinforcing its structure and protecting it from the everyday effects of aging. The oil also ensures that each movement remains smooth, pleasant, and kind to this sensitive area. Altogether, this becomes an act of proactive maintenance, a small daily investment in supporting your body's natural function, not through external chemicals, but through mindful care that encourages the body's own repair systems. That's why this technique is increasingly recommended in men's health and physical therapy settings. It empowers you to take an active role in your vitality, rather than relying solely on short-term fixes. This ritual is the first practical step toward reclaiming a healthy, confident connection with your body. Choosing the right oil matters. It's not just about texture. It's about providing nourishment and safety. Avoid synthetic or heavily fragranced products. Your skin absorbs whatever you apply, and the goal here is to soothe and strengthen, not to irritate. Below are several excellent natural options, each with unique benefits. Let's start with a classic, castor oil. Derived from the castor bean, this thick, rich oil has been used for centuries for recovery and circulation support. Its dense consistency allows for a slow, thorough massage that reaches deep into the tissue layers. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a compound known to calm inflammation and promote lymphatic flow, essentially helping the body release built-up fluids and tension. It's especially useful for men experiencing stiffness or tightness in the area. The only drawback is that it can be slightly sticky, but its restorative properties more than make up for it. Next is jojoba oil, one of the most skin-compatible oils available. Technically a liquid wax, its molecular structure closely resembles the skin's natural sebum, so it absorbs quickly and completely. It's non-comedogenic and gentle, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Jojoba is loaded with vitamin E and B-complex nutrients, which help support skin renewal and elasticity. Its light, clean texture makes it a comfortable everyday option, perfect for those who prefer a non-greasy feel while still deeply conditioning the tissue. Another excellent and easily accessible choice is coconut oil. Well known for its antimicrobial and soothing qualities, it contains lauric acid, which supports skin defense and reduces irritation. Coconut oil glides smoothly, smells pleasant, and can also act as a base for other concentrated oils, such as vitamin E. Just remember, it solidifies at cooler temperatures, so warming it between your palms before use makes the experience more enjoyable. Finally, consider adding a small amount of vitamin E oil to whichever base oil you select. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect and repair skin cells, supporting elasticity and overall tone. Just a few drops can amplify the nourishing effects of your main oil, turning a simple massage into a true rejuvenating ritual. The best part? This entire process takes only about 5 minutes. Make it a calm, intentional part of your evening routine. Not a rushed task, but a moment of connection and care. Before you begin, preparation is key. Wash your hands and ensure the area is clean. Warm a small amount of oil in your palms. This helps it absorb better and makes the massage more comfortable. Take a deep breath, release the day's stress, and approach this with patience and focus. This isn't mechanical, it's mindful maintenance. The technique itself has 3 easy phases, each serving a purpose. Phase 1, the circulatory warm-up. Using your whole hand, apply light, steady strokes along the length of the area from base to tip. Keep your pressure consistent but gentle, enough to encourage blood flow without strain. Continue for about a minute, feeling the warmth gradually build as the vessels awaken. Phase 2, the nitric oxide activation. Form a loose O shape with your thumb and index finger and glide from the base upward in slow, measured motions. Maintain mild tension, just enough to feel a gentle pull, and repeat for about 2 minutes. This encourages a healthy flow of blood and naturally stimulates the endothelial cells that support nitric oxide release, which is crucial for smooth circulation. Phase 3, the foundational release. Focus on the base, where connective tissue and vessels often tighten with age. Use your fingertips to apply light circular motions for about a minute. This helps ease built-up tension and promotes freer flow through the deeper structures. When you finish, simply rest your hand for a moment and notice the warmth and vitality returning. This isn't just about technique, it's about awareness, reconnection, and a gentle reminder that your body can still respond beautifully when given the right care. And that's it, a simple 5-minute ritual that can make a profound difference in how you feel and function. This isn't a sexual act, it's a physiological one. It's about body maintenance, about giving your health the same care and attention you'd give to your shoulders, your back, or your knees after a long day. The difference is simply where you're applying that care. So why would a men's health specialist recommend something so basic? Because most age-related challenges in men don't appear overnight. They develop slowly, through years of reduced movement, stress, and declining circulation. It's not one sudden failure. It's the quiet buildup of neglect. And while modern medicine often treats symptoms with medication, real lasting improvement comes from addressing the foundation. This daily massage ritual is one of those foundational tools. It's completely natural, non-invasive, and free of medication. It works by gently reminding your body how to support itself, how to keep blood flowing, tissue supple, and the nervous system calm. It's a simple, science-based act of proactive self-care that helps slow down, and for many men, even reverse in the gradual decline that aging brings. That said, I always emphasize one important note. If you experience persistent or serious issues, it's essential to see your doctor. Sometimes, reduced performance or sensitivity can be an early signal of deeper conditions such as cardiovascular issues or metabolic disorders. Think of this massage as a supportive, complementary practice, something that works alongside professional care, not in place of it, but beyond its physical effects. There's something deeply psychological about this ritual. It's a way of reconnecting with your body, lowering stress, and replacing anxiety with calm assurance. When you take 5 quiet minutes each night to care for yourself, your body responds not only with better circulation, but with a renewed sense of ease. That feeling of wellness doesn't stay confined to one part of your body. It shows up in your posture, your energy, and even your interactions with others. And yes, your partner will notice the change too. It's not just about physical readiness, it's about presence. When you're more relaxed, better rested, and more confident in your body, it creates a quiet harmony in your relationship. That reassurance, that calm sense of vitality, often speaks louder than words. It says without saying it, I feel good again. I'm back. So tonight, make this a personal commitment. Try this 5-minute ritual before bed, not as a quick fix, but as a nightly reset. Don't expect dramatic results overnight. Instead, look for gradual changes. Within a week or two, you might notice tension fading, sleep improving, and a stronger sense of connection with your body. And one morning, often unexpectedly, you'll wake up to that familiar sign, a natural, confident reminder that your body's vitality is returning. It's your system saying, I'm working again. I'm healthy. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this information helpful, tap that like button. Subscribe to Senior Men's Health for more science-based, easy-to-follow wellness habits. And consider sharing this video with a friend who might appreciate a gentle nightly routine to feel renewed. I'm Dr. Eva Cole. Take care of your health. Stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next session.